On behalf of the people of Malta, I take this opportunity to extend my sincere condolences to the families of the servicemen lost in HMS Search. Their father, husband, son on duty underwent the extreme sacrifice to fulfill their oath of allegiance to the military and naval responsibilities they subscribed to on joining the service.
Wara li nstab is-sottomarin HMS fit-2019, bħala uċu bdejna nippjanaw biex nagħmlu proġett kbir biex one nirrikordjaw f'dettal enormi u two biex inkunu ċerti li dan is-sit kien verament HMS Edge. Fil-fatt meta niżel it-tim ta' Buwaddasa sibna l-isem Edge fil-ġem tal-Conning Tower u dan di kienet l-evidenza li kellna bżonn biex vera nkunu ċerti illi l-44 nies li tilfu ħajjithom f'dan l-inċident nkunu nafu fej qegħdin u fejn qiegħda il-resting place tagħhom.
Dan il-monument mhux biss huwa mafkar għal min tilef ħajtu f'dan is-submarine, iżda dan huwa wkoll monument fej wieħed jista' jiġi jarah u minnu wkoll jaraf eżatt fejn għereq dan is-submarine.
It's a great privilege for us on the side of the families of HMS Urge and the people who were lost in HMS Urge for this tribute to have been paid to the submarine by the people of Malta and by all of the people who worked extremely hard to produce a fitting memorial to a very courageous set of people whose valiant efforts really took part of a global struggle in which Malta played a very strong role. So this is a tribute to some Royal Navy sailors, but it's also a tribute to the people of Malta and their resilience at such a difficult time, and also the strong connections between the United Kingdom and Malta now.
Il-missjoni ta' Heritage Malta hija li nagħtu futur lill-passat tagħna, illi nagħmlu aċċessibbli il-patrimonju kulturali tagħna. U dan il-monument qiegħed ukoll jagħti exposure lil dan il-wirt kulturali.